All right, so the hair that I bought only cost me around $23. I only used 2 packs, the 6 and the 3X. All right, so I started my hair on Sunday, and here I'm just trying to pick my hair out and just see what I need to do. But girl, I needed to save my edges, so stay tuned to see how I was able to save my edges and how I did my hair. All right, so this is how I'm saving my edges. I just combed out the front part, and then I applied some leave-in conditioner. So please make sure you are at least, moisturizing your hair before you go ahead and, do your braids. So here I'm going to use the rubber band method. I believe I had around 26 squares, somewhere around there. So one side is longer than the other, but I will tell you more about it, how I was able to, braid my hair up. And no, I did not crochet my hair like I did last time. So if you have not seen that other video, please make sure you go ahead and check that out. Okay. All right, so I went ahead and applied the hair. Girl, I was struggling on that side right there where my hand is, because it is shorter on that side. And if you notice that the braid in the front is a little slimmer than the other braids, because when you have, short hair, you don't need to grab like thicker pieces. And the hair right there that I'm showing you is that third pack that said, I believe it was 2X. I thought the hair was white, but it's not. So it looks kind of yellowish, and I will take that out and just replace it with some black hair. So for like my hair that I used, the 6X, I used about 4 of those bundles. So I was able to leave 2 hanging. So I did not use 2. So here I am going to attempt to put the hair in. I am not a pro at, doing this style. I am so used to doing crocheting my hair in, but again, because I was using thicker pieces, I was not about to, pull on my hair, trying to get the needle and pull the hair in between the rubber band and my scalp. I was not going to do that. So when I get frustrated, I just leave that alone and I go to the other side. So in a minute, you're going to see me just stop, and then I'm going to just move to the other side where I have the longer pieces. All right, so I stepped out so I can go ahead and boil the water. So when you have just a couple of braids left, girl, you might as well go ahead and set your water, boil it, and just make sure you keep an eye on it, because, child, I tried it before and I burnt the water out the pan. Okay, so I don't know what happened there, but for whatever reason, the two-tone hair just mixed up and just gave me this weird color. But I'm just going to go ahead and, seal my ends by dipping it in some hot water. So just make sure that you are careful with that. As far as applying the hair, I started around 6. No, I started at 6 and ended at 9:45. And I had like a 20-minute pizza break. So, girl, it did not take me long at all. I really enjoyed this hair. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I was nervous about this hair color. I wish I would have got more of the two-tone. But now that I know, your girl is going to be rocking, this type of color. And I just cannot wait for my vacation. I'm just so excited. But I am just loving and feeling this hair. Ryan is here to slay. Yes, that's my alter ego. But anywho, yeah, girl. Hot water. But I plan on leaving this hair in for about maybe a month or so. So who knows?